Hi, welcome back to Deliciously Organic. I'm Susan Lovell again, and what we're making today is a nice green salad with some fresh grilled vegetables, Thai vegetables. Very healthy, high in antioxidants. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just shredding some lettuce, and I like to take my lettuce and I like to just shred it by hand. If you've ever noticed or if you've ever heard, sometimes when you do it by hand, you don't brown your lettuce as quick. Your lettuce won't brown as quick. So if you're making a salad ahead of time, sometimes it's a good idea to just take that lettuce and to just shred it. And I like to use my salad spinner. And the reason for that is I shred my lettuce in there, and we're going to put a little bit of water in here. And what this does is, even though you're buying organic vegetables and you're buying organic lettuce, a lot of times it's a good idea to always rinse your vegetables. We carry vegetable and fruit rinses at Nature's Cornucopia. And what that does is it'll take a lot of the wax off of it. It'll take some of the, people handle it. They still handle it. And so it's good to take that off of there. Sometimes you're going to find that it'll come to you, your greens will come to you, your vegetables and fruits, and they'll be dirty. I mean, there's no pesticides, there's no fertilizers used in organic. And so a lot of times they come and they're not real clean, but that is that's nature's way. And so what we do is we make sure that we always clean our vegetables. So I use a salad spinner, real easy. We just pump it. And what that's going to do, it's going to dry that lettuce off for us. If you've ever eaten a salad before, or if you've been out to eat someplace and they bring you a salad and you notice that there's like a little puddle of water on the bottom of your plate, and when you put your dressing on top of it, it kind of separates. Well, this eliminates that and kind of dries it out. So you just pump it about 10, maybe 12 times. And with this one here, you can just drain your water right off of it. And we're going to do it again. I like a nice dry salad. I don't like a lot of water laying in the bottom of my plate. So we're going to pump it again. And you've seen the amount of water that I poured off of this. And you'll see that, here we go. We're going to pour some more off of it. So you can see that it takes quite a bit of that off of there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take and we're just going to get our plate. And what I've done with the vegetables are I turned the heat off, and they're set back there for about 5 minutes or so. And I've just kind of left them cool a little bit so that they're not real hot. And we're just going to arrange a little bit of this on our plate. Such as that. It's hard to judge, isn't it, how much, when you're doing salad for 1 or 2 people, it's hard to judge how much to tear apart. So then we're going to take some of our vegetables. And you can see how nice that they've cooked up. Still, nice. They've absorbed some of that toasted sesame oil, but they're not greasy. You can see they're not greasy, but they're still firm. They're still going to be a little bit crunchy. So we're going to take some of that. And one of the reasons that I do this, and I put these on top, and you're going to eat this when the vegetables are a little bit warm. That's the best way to eat this. The reason I do this and I like the vegetables on top because it eliminates a lot of dressing. And you will notice, you'll find that a lot of your dressings hold a lot of your calories. They contain a lot of sugars. They contain a lot of saturated fats, a lot of dairy products. This way, you get all the flavor. Don't need salad dressing because your vegetables are flavored. And then I just usually put some right here on the side of the plate, too. We'll put a little bit more on there. And then, as I told you before, one thing that I like for me is I like a little bit of spice. I don't like things real hot, but I like a little spicy added to my salads and to some of my foods. So what I've brought today is I brought some organic spicy pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, again, are really healthy for us. They contain essential fatty acids. A lot of people don't realize, but pumpkin seeds are very good for good prostate health. Good for men to eat a nice handful of pumpkin seeds and absorb that oil from the pumpkin seeds every day. So what I brought here, these are some organic spicy pumpkin seeds. And so I'm just going to take a few of them And I'm just going to sprinkle a few of them on top, such as that. And now we have a nice dish prepared with high antioxidants, lots of fiber, nice color. Don't you think that's a nice color with all the different colors on there? High antioxidants, lots of fiber, and we have some nice crunch to it from the spicy pumpkin seeds. That eliminates the croutons that we have. So I hope everybody enjoys. We're going to take another commercial break, and we'll be back in just a minute, and I'd like to talk to you about immune health.